is up, YouTube? It's your boy T. Back again today with a beater box, man. This box ran me $1,050, and I'm excited about it, man. This is one of the most expensive boxes I've had in a long time. A little over $1,000, $1,050. Real excited about it. I don't know. Hopefully I get something good. Most of the time my luck range is from like that $500 to $800 range. So, but y'all know me, man. Whatever lands in my cart, I just buy it. I don't really care what the price is. But we got lucky this week. We're gonna jump on in, see what we got. I ain't trying to hold y'all too long today. I hope everybody having a great day. Let's see what we got. Alright. Off top, this is gonna be an amazing box. We got two pair without boxes. This pair right here is crazy. These are huge though. Pantone 11s. These are a size 14. Check those out. No box, pre-owned. Honestly, I feel like this shoe was slept on. I feel like this is a dope shoe and it didn't get the respect I feel like it deserved. I know a lot of people did like it, but this was a fire shoe to me, man. These are a size 14. My little brother actually can fit a size 14. That's correct. My little brother can actually fit a size 14. I want to say these are one of the shoes he was on the hunt for, so if he doesn't mind a used pair. My little brother is a spender, so he not like me. He don't mind spending big money on stuff, but he don't mind a used pair. Those may be going to him. I got another pair without a box. We got the classics. These are a size 11. These are my size. I'm smiling because I had a homeboy here locally that can do a restoration job on these, and if he can make these look really, really good, I won't be getting rid of these. I sold mine and hated myself for letting them go. These are dope. They worn, of course, but like I said, he gets down with the restoration, and like he can make these things look back new. I'm talking about he irons them and everything, get the wrinkles out. These are dope. I need these. I need these. I need the shadows again. Dope, man. Size 11, my size. If he can get them as clean and crispy as I need them, these will be staying with me. That is crazy. Size 11. These are my size. I'm checking the other one. No box. I'm not tripping. These will be another pair that I wear, so I will not be tripping at all. Man, we got two pair that might be staying here. All right, man. The rest of these come with boxes. Looks like we have about 6 pair left, actually, so we got a total of 8. We'll go ahead and get through this box. This looks like a Vans box. These say a 3.5 men and a 5 in women's. I didn't know men's shoes can go down to a 3.5. But I guess this is a Vans. They dead stock. Size 3.5. Looks like a collab of some sort. I like the blue. I like the shoe. This is actually pretty dope. In the last year or two, I've actually fell in love with Vans. As you can see on my Instagram, I just picked up a pair not too long ago. Me and my son got a matching pair. Very dope shoe, man. Nice, good quality. And this box is pretty dope too. I don't know what they are or what they're worth, but it looks like some kind of collab. Size 3.5. Weird size. Hopefully that doesn't hinder me moving them. We got a KD. I remember this box. These are size 12 KD7. Box is pretty beat up. 35,000 degrees. That just came to me. That's the name of these, the nickname to these. These are size 12. These are dead stock also. So that is dope. Dead stock shoes, even if it's a KD, will still move. Most of y'all know I'm here in Oklahoma, and people stopped buying KDs a long time ago here in Oklahoma. But dead stock pair, man, should be pretty easy to move. Hopefully I don't have to turn to StockX or GOAT to get them moved, because people here are not really messing with them. They say Big Chucky on the bottom. Little bitty details on these. 35,000 degrees, I believe, is the nickname to those. Size 12. Dead stock. So far, this box is looking all right. We got a Jordan 11 low, size 11 and a half. Oh, okay, we got the IE joints. Everybody's favorite 11. Not really. But these are the IE Jordan. These are size 11 and a half, very clean. Check those out. These are pre-owned though. These are not dead stock like the last two pair. Hold on. No, these are not dead stock. They got the tape over the Jumpman. Whoever had them took really good care of them though. They do not look worn a lot at all. If I had to guess, maybe 2 or 3 times. No creases or anything like that in the toe. These are size 11 and a half once again. Should be a pretty easy move. Everything that I have will be up on the for sale page on Insta. Check that out. The link will be down below. These are a size 11 and a half also. We got a Jordan 7, Cardinal 7s with the receipt in the box. We got a receipt in here. Cardinal 7, had this shoe a million trillion times. Had it in my personal collection, and lost weight, so my foot shrunk, and it was one of the shoes that I had to move. But very dope shoe. OG colorway. Cardinal 7s, very dope. Size 11 and a half. Check those out. The white light probably blasting them, you can't really tell. But these are very clean. I wouldn't be surprised these were from the same people that had those 11s, just because they look very well taken care of. Even the box is in great shape, just a little dusty. I'm gonna save, I got another Jordan 1 box. I will save that to the end. We have a Ultra Boost Mid SE size 12. I don't know what this is. I'm not gonna lie, the colorway is dope. I like that. This must be a collab. I can tell from the box it was some kind of special edition. These are Packer collab or Soul box. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some research on these. I can get the box to stay up here. Do some research on these and check them out. The colorway is nice though. These are Ultra Boosts. I know the price of Ultra Boosts have dropped drastically over the years. It doesn't take away from the comfort of these. Very dope. And looks like they come with 2 extra pair of shoelaces. High quality box. Looks like another collab shoe. Have that Soul Supremacy tag on the box right there. It's always a good sign to see. Last shoe in this box. Everybody's favorite box nowadays. Jordan 1. I'm not even gonna look at it. Oh, these gotta be the money shoe of the box. This was a $1,000 box, $1,050 plus the shipping. These are dope. These are the satin ones. Our Soul Supremacy was trying to move a lot of these. They were trying to move a lot of these. They had beater boxes that I think were specially designed with nothing but these in there. These are a size 12 in women's, so I could actually fit these. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm sitting here thinking like I can keep these. These are 12 in women's, man. This is a super dope pickup. One of those shoes I probably wouldn't own if I didn't have a beater box membership, just because of the price. This is easily a $450, $500 pair of shoes. Box in great shape. I don't need them. So one of you guys, our girls, will be lucky to grab these. DM me if you want them. They should be posted on the Instagram. I'm gonna try to post them there first to avoid GOAT and StockX fees. But very dope pickup. Super happy to have them. I probably won't make too much money out this box because I like to keep stuff and I like to give stuff away to the fam. So these will probably, if my brother wants them, we'll probably go to him. And if the homie can do me right, these might be staying with me. I'm kind of excited about these. Needed them. Won't feel bad about wearing them because they not a $500 pair. But yeah, man, very dope box. Super happy with it. Before I let y'all go, you know I gotta shout out the book one more time. JT's Big Plan. If you guys watched the last video, you know my wife wrote a book, children's book. Hopefully you guys can't hear my son in the background. He's back there tripping. This is her book, man. It's on Amazon. If you purchase it from Amazon, man, leave a review. She put a lot of work into it. I'm gonna flip through the pages again for you guys. The book talks about entrepreneurship. It was created to plant the seed of entrepreneurship inside children. This book is based on an entrepreneur kid by the name of JT. She kind of just switched up my son's initials. But man, make sure you guys check that out. If you're here locally in Oklahoma, Tulsa, man, most of you guys know where to find me at or know how to get a hold of me. I can personally meet you and drop that off to you. All the support we've gotten from it so far here locally has been crazy, and thank you guys for the ones that bought it from the last video. Hit that Amazon link. I'll have that down below again. And I think that's it. All these will be up on the Instagram page. Everything that's on that page is still available. I delete everything that sells, so if it's on that page, it is available. I got a ton more stuff that I need to find time to post on that page. Make sure y'all follow that, and you can follow the main page too. Think that's it, man. I'm out. Appreciate each and every one of y'all for watching. Peace.